Okay, so with this, all you're gonna have to do, um, do not download the app for the way the kids access Education Galaxy. You have to go through the web browser, and it's easy enough. Google Education Galaxy. Um, it's talking about a free account for schools, but we already have that. Just go into login. Right, they'll type in their credentials. It's the same login page for students and teachers. So let's skip this. Now this is the teacher's page, but I'm gonna show you what it looks like as a student. Okay, so once they log in, they're gonna click Education Galaxy. Okay, so they do have these 6 little tabs that you can drop down menus that they can go navigate through, but for math is we've already done the test, and so there's these 2 tabs that they can use, right? Recommended topics for study, and then my study plan. So recommended topics for study, you click that, click math, which we already done, and then what would happen is there would be all these, I don't know why it's not showing on here, but there would be all these little tabs, little red dots, that red, yellow, and green, and red seeing that's what they really need to work on. Some study require, and mastery in green, and then they can click on there. There's also my study plan. Click on math, and then here are all like the teaks that they can work on, and then they would click on the green arrow, and it would take them right. They choose their little mini game, but the most important thing on here, it gives little mini lessons.
What are we doing today? Hi, Molly. Today we're going to learn about unit fractions and how to compose and decompose fractions. Cool. Okay, Molly, I want you to take this rectangle and cut it into 4 equal-sized pieces. Okay. Now shade one piece. It's done. To represent the
So
shaded part.
as you can see, it gives little mini lessons, which is really great. I tell the kids, listen to them because it's someone else other than me, trying to show you how to learn the skill. So let me go back. So yeah, so this is my study plan, and so you can really pick and choose which teak that you want to work on, which skill. But the recommended topics is going to have their specific need, because when we took the test, it was like a 70 question test that they did, and based on that, it will show them what they actually need. The only thing with this is sometimes the kids, they'll rush through the questions. They won't watch the video just to play the little mini game. The mini game is maybe a minute, 2 minutes long, and then they go back to their little lesson. So the reading part is what we need to get established. Now, come Thursday when I get trained on what a remote learning is, this may be completely different. They may not want to do Education Galaxy, I'm not sure. But in the time being, the kids are familiar with this. So this is why I'm giving you this information. So you'll go to, you'll have the student go to My Diagnostics. Math is already completed, but we're going to go to reading. And then on here, it says pre-test. So go, and then you'll click in progress, you'll click the green arrow. Then it gives them a problem. It tells them at the top how many questions there are. So maybe if you want to have them maybe do 10 questions, take a break, come back and do another 10 questions, that that'll be awesome as well. So they'll go answer their questions, read, and then once they finish, then they can go back to my topics for study, click reading, and then all those skills are going to be listed on what they need help with. If you go to my study plan, I'll show you. You can see all the little skills. And so it looks something like this, but with the little red dots. Red dots, yellow dots, and green dots. And then they click on the green arrow, of course. Watch the mini lesson, and then they can choose their little game. So that's about it. Just for something for them to do. If you have any questions, just message me on here on Class Dojo. But they're pretty familiar with this. And so this is free for the student. I know the parents can log on and they can earn some extra rockets on here or something like that. I haven't seen what they actually get when the parents log on. So any questions, just let me know. Thanks guys. Have a great day.